kitchen. Today I am going to show you very famous sweet dish recipe known as ghevar. So let's get start our recipe, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. So let's get start. Ghevar is very popular Indian sweet dish. So let's get start. So guys, let's get start my recipe. So for ghevar making I have required ice, ghee, milk, besan, gram flour and flour, maida. So I am going to make a batter in my mixer. So let's get start my recipe. So guys, in my mixer I am going to add ghee, desi ghee, for making a ghevar batter. In that I am going to add ice cubes and completely churn the batter. And cool down the ghee. So guys, after that add flour, spoon by spoon, 3 spoon flour add and mix it well. Like this, I am adding all the flour and then I show you. So guys, in that add besan, gram flour and add required water and make a running consistency batter. Then I show you. After that guys, transfer this batter in a bowl and set the consistency. So guys, my ghevar batter is ready. Batter consistency like this. See, it's flowing consistency. Flowing, pouring consistency. So guys, heat up the desi ghee for giving a nice flavor. For frying, heat up the ghee. In that add ghevar mold. Set in the pan. So guys, in my batter now I am going to add one big lion juice for crustiness or giving jali effect in ghevar. Mix it well. One big lemon juice. Mix it well. So guys, my ghee is perfectly heated. Add in the middle of batter like this and pour the batter in the center by drop like this. Once first layer is set, then add second layer. So guys, my first layer is set. After that add second layer drop by drop. Drop by drop. Like this. Once second layer is set, then third layer. In same manner or same process, add layer by layer, and then my ghevar is perfectly shaped. In the middle, make a hole or set this layer at the side. Once the bubbling is settled down, add batter in the center. I am going with the pouring batter with the help of water. In the center, pour it like this and make the layer. Once the batter is settled in the middle, then spread evenly and make a hole in the center with the help of stick. Once all the layers are perfectly set, then take the knife and remove the edges with the help of knife and press it like this to take out the sides. So guys, after that press the gaver in the middle and for equal color or equal appearance. So guys, my gaver is perfectly ready. I am getting out my gaver. So guys, remove this gaver from the pan like this and set aside. Set aside for extra oiling is removed by this process. In the same manner, I am ready with all the gavers. Then I show you. I am ready with all the gavers. Then I show you. So guys, for gaver sugar syrup, I have required pan. In that, I am going to add sugar for 2-3 spoons of sugar. After that, add water 1 glass and quick stir for making a sugar syrup. On the other hand, for making a malai or rabdi, I have required 1 glass of milk. In that, add milk powder and mix it well. Mix it well. In the sugar syrup, add saffron and cardamom. Saffron and cardamom, elaichi and kesar for giving a nice flavor. And cook this pista flavor rabdi. Stir continuously, and once my rabdi is ready, then I show you. So guys, my rabdi is cooked properly. My rabdi is cooked properly. In that, I am going to add sugar and mix it well, continuously stirring. Rabdi is properly ready, and my sugar syrup is also ready. Completely cool both the things, rabdi and sugar syrup. Then we prepare a gaver. And guys, my fried gaver is also ready. Guys, I am going to make a presentation part. I have required gaver. So, I am ready with the fried gaver and rabdi also. And my sugar syrup is also ready. For garnishing, I have required pistachio, pista and saffron. So, first of all, take a plate and add gaver, add sugar syrup on the top for giving a sweetness. Apply like this from all the parts. After that, apply rabdi. So I have pistachio rabdi. Apply with the help of spoon and apply like this. Spread all the sides and evenly. After applying rabdi on that gaver, apply silver cover or silver paper, chandika work on that for garnishing. After applying silver paper, apply pistachio for garnishing, pista for garnishing or giving a nice flavor. Apply on that gaver and apply saffron sticks threads on the top for giving a nice saffron flavor. So my gaver is perfectly ready to serve. Enjoy this video and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Bye bye guys, see you soon in the next video. My gaver is done.